Hello farmers, this is Paulito Kamau from Nyandarua County, Nangob Jabini location. I want to show you the framework of 4 days, how the shed is faring on, the shed that we have been constructing. So we have already made the foundation. We have already now started framing the shed, and now we are doing the construction of the courses. We have already done 2 courses for the 4 days. The first day you saw how we started it. Now from today we are now doing the backfilling of the ground. So stay tuned, keep in touch with Paulito Farm. Thank you.